Hey guys, welcome to Safi Mixed. In this video, I will let you know how to find the side length of an inscribed square and a circle in terms of the radius of the circle. To this end, I draw a circle with center O and the radius R, and then I construct an inscribed square in the form of this, and I represent the vertices with A, B, C, and D. Then I join the vertices to the center of the circle. With this geometry now I use another information, that is, we know that the angle subtended by the circumference of a circle equals 360 degrees, and we have divided the whole circle into four sectors of this form. Now each sector is, in fact, the size of each sector is described by the sides of the square, and we know the sides of the square are equal, therefore these sectors are equal. In other words, the angle subtended by each sector on the center is of same magnitude, so we can find angle AOB, angle BOC, and so on as 1/4 of the 360 degrees. That is, I can write that angle AOB equals angle BOC equals angle COD equals angle DOA, and each of them is 1/4 of 360 degrees, and 1/4 of 360 degrees is 90 degrees. So that means that the angle subtended at the center by each sector is 90 degrees, and I can note that over here. So this sector is 90 degree, the angle of this sector is 90, and everyone is 90 degrees. Now I draw a perpendicular bisector on side AB from center O and denote the point with F. Since this is a perpendicular bisector, therefore the angle at this point is 90 degrees. Now this perpendicular bisector is also an angle bisector, and we can define the angle AOF in terms of angle AOB. Since this is half, therefore I can write angle AOF is half of angle AOB, and putting the value of angle AOB, I can write this as 90 degrees divided by 2, which is equal to 1/5, which is equal to 45 degrees. So angle AOF is equal to 45 degrees. Now we have a right angle triangle AOF, and we know about two parameters of this right triangle, that is the angle 45 degrees and the side length OA equals radius of the R. And if we look, then side OF constitutes the base of the triangle, FA constitutes perpendicular, and OA is hypotenuse of this right angle triangle. So we can find the side length AF in terms of radius by using the trigonometric ratios of right angle triangle. That is, we know that perpendicular by hypotenuse equals 45 degrees. So for our triangle, it becomes AF divided by AO equals sine 45 degrees, and from this I can write AF equals AO times sine 45 degrees. And sine of 45 degrees we know is 1 over square root 2. AO is equal to R. So putting these values, I can reduce this to 1 over square root 2 times R radius. Now OF is right bisectors, therefore AB is equal to twice of AF. That is, I can write the side length AB in terms of AF in the form AB equals twice of AF, and putting the value of AF from this value, I can write this as 2 times 1 over square root 2R, which I can finally reduce this to square root 2R. That is, the side length of an inscribed square in a circle is square root 2 times radius of the circle, which means that in larger circle the side length of the inscribed square will be larger as R would be larger, and for small circles this would be smaller. AB is directly proportional to radius of the circle. So this way you can find the side length of an inscribed square in a circle. At the end, thanks for watching Safi Mixed.